Dreams and visions. They can change the world. And throughout the ages, one of their most visible expressions has been buildings. Every day, tens of thousands of Liebherr cranes are in operational use. They move millions of tons of material, helping to convert dreams and ideas into reality. Big dreams and smaller ones. They do this reliably, all over the world. For decades, Liebherr construction cranes have been eye-catchingly unmistakable, symbols of progress and achievement on the building sites of the world. We are one of the world's most successful crane manufacturers. No doubt about that. But what are the reasons for this success? It's hard to know where to start looking, with a modular crane program numbering almost 100 different types. Is it our innovations? Is it the quality of our products? Is it their high efficiency? Or is it our employees and their attitude towards what they do and how they do it? They are accessible. They listen. They exude expertise and reliability, day after day. This may be easy to say, but is indicative of a particular way of thinking. We want to be seen to be reliable for the long term. At Liebherr, we don't think in months, but in years. Our proprietors certainly take a long-term view. A keystone of the Liebherr philosophy. Precise interaction between man and machine. Whether it's 3,600 meters up or just above sea level, our cranes have proven themselves everywhere. Why is that? Well, Liebherr cranes are the pivotal element of every building site. Here, the main requirements are adaptability, handling capacity, and, above all, reliability. By the way, the biggest range of cranes in the world comes from Liebherr. From the fast erecting crane to the gigantic tower crane with a load moment of some 4,000 metric tons. Our products are easy to transport, quick to assemble, and they guarantee precise, safe operations. You can rely on Liebherr to provide all of this. Nice view from up here. 3 square meters, an 8-hour shift. Here, ergonomics and comfort are no luxury. They're an essential ingredient of building site safety. It goes without saying that this all comes at a price. And of course, investors are always keen to ensure they see a return on their investment. However, success on the world's building sites provides ample evidence of the superior technology of Liebherr cranes. They generate profit day after day, year after year. And this, too, is part of the Liebherr philosophy. So quality does matter. And when it comes to quality, you can rely on Liebherr's expert technicians in its Pamplona and Biberach factories. Efficient tools, experienced and creative engineers, and state-of-the-art production. Highly qualified, long-serving employees who know what they are about. Every action is carried out with the utmost care and attention. The certified quality guarantees the high Liebherr standard. It's an impressive achievement. 60 years experience and 70,000 construction cranes that continually set new standards. These days, the environment is also an important consideration when it comes to production matters. Sustainability is one of our objectives, for the products themselves and in the manufacturing process. What does that mean in reality? 3 examples. During the painting process, we rely on heat reclamation. That cuts the amount of energy expended in half. CNC machines use very large quantities of cooling water. During the water preparation phase, we maintain closed circulation. This reduces water consumption by around 90%. And it saves resources. Efficient use of energy in the workshop. Energy generation on top of the workshop. That adds up to the power requirement of 600 single-family homes. We demonstrate our sense of responsibility for the environment. Wherever movement and precise control are involved, you'll find assembly parts from the Liebherr factory in Biberach close at hand. In wind energy generation, for instance. Now more than ever across the board in a great many Liebherr construction machines. Large-scale anti-friction bearings. Switch cabinets and control technology. Electromotors. And X to XXL drive systems. These extremely high levels of vertical integration provide perfectly coordinated components that function with the highest reliability. For our cranes, this means if it says Liebherr on the outside, it's Liebherr on the inside as well. That you can rely on. Service. For us, far from being a necessary evil, it's an integral component of product quality. Full stop. Quick, knowledgeable, and always on site. Our associated contractors and over 100 Liebherr branches guarantee the maximum possible availability of our cranes, all round the world. Naturally, this is only possible if each individual fully plays his part.
To a pressure of 1.3.
And that is why we fund a training center, which sets the standards that have to be achieved. Assembly operators, crane drivers and sales personnel all receive practice-based training here. Good training guarantees safe, efficient work on site and ensures the long-term maintenance of the equipment. That pays dividends. Man and machine, another area where we ensure that we make a difference. Modern construction methods are constantly extending the limits of the feasible. New materials and new processes place new demands on crane technology. By getting to know what our customers, our partners, want, we can systematically translate market signals into innovative products. For example, the compact head. This is assembled in one single lift. This makes handling easier and saves valuable time. Or crawler cranes. These can be deployed even in the most difficult of terrains. The MK series is really something special. It combines the advantages of a conventional construction crane with the flexibility of a mobile one. High-tech in perfect harmony. No other construction crane manufacturer anywhere in the world can offer you this. Innovations like these are born of the synergies created by Europe's biggest manufacturer of construction machinery. At the outset, there is always a single idea, a single vision. But how can it be converted into reality? How does it translate into something concrete? Large-scale modern construction sites increase the pressure to come up with economically efficient crane configurations. This is where expertise has a particular part to play. Liebherr can provide the perfect integrated solution from a single source. Expert solutions for our customers, from start to finish. So what may have started off as a dream can become reality. Liebherr construction cranes lift loads, day after day. Powerful, reliable, efficient and safe. That is their job, and it's also our commitment to you.